One of the biggest projects that we've undertaken at FEMA is really educating our staff on the culture here in Hawaii. And what that's allowed us to do is to really better understand the community, the unique needs, and the history of Hawaii. And from that, it's allowed us to work on specific projects that will help the community, both in the short term and long term. One of the earlier projects was providing a school back for the community, and the Corps of Engineers did a tremendous job of accomplishing that in 95 days and being able to re-establish school on April 1st. This is one of many projects we've undertaken to continue to work with the community.
The response and recovery effort is something shared by all of us that we're all committed to. On the debris removal area, the presence of cultural monitors to both guide and protect historic sites and cultural sites of significance and allow for those protections to be respected, allow for those protocols to be observed with dignity, to understand that these things are the currency for building trust.
The work that we've done together, hand in hand, to move almost 8,000 people first into hotels and then into long-term housing is just extraordinary. And we're now actually rebuilding transitional housing together. We've essentially got everyone into long-term housing now here as we approach the 1-year mark after the fire.
So FEMA has been a really integral part of our recovery to help people, again, rebuild their lives, rebuild hope, rebuild their homes, regain their sense of place. We talk about water, which we predicted it would take a couple of years to get all of that back for Lahaina. We expect by the end of August we'll have 100% potable water in Lahaina. Our wastewater, we expect to have that to be 100% by the end of January 2025. I would give FEMA a lot of credit for the speed with which this is happening. They have been really accommodating to helping us to make sure it works for everybody. So I couldn't be more grateful.